Welcome back to the channel, your home for natural wellness tips and remedies that work. Today, we shine the spotlight on one of the most powerful gifts from nature, turmeric, often called liquid gold, for your skin. Used for centuries in Ayurvedic and traditional beauty rituals, turmeric holds the secret to radiant, healthy, glowing skin. But how exactly does this humble spice work its magic on your face, and how should you use it to get the best results? Let's dive deep into the top skin benefits of turmeric, and how you can make the most of this golden remedy in your skincare routine. Turmeric's star ingredient, curcumin. At the heart of turmeric is curcumin, a natural bioactive compound known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties. When applied to the skin, curcumin helps to fight acne, brighten dull complexions, soothe irritations, and even reduce signs of aging. It's like a superfood for your face, nourishing your skin from the outside in. Powerful skin benefits of turmeric. 1. It fights acne and pimples. Turmeric's antibacterial properties help kill acne-causing bacteria like Propionibacterium acnes. Its anti-inflammatory nature reduces redness and swelling. Turmeric also helps dry out active pimples and prevents future breakouts. 2. It reduces dark spots and acne scars. If you're battling with dark marks or leftover acne scars, turmeric helps lighten pigmentation by slowing down melanin production. Over time, regular use can give your skin a more even tone and a smooth texture. 3. It soothes skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Turmeric is rich in anti-inflammatory compounds that calm irritation and redness associated with chronic skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and rosacea. It relieves itching and helps restore the skin's protective barrier. 4. It brightens the skin naturally. Forget chemical bleaching creams. Turmeric naturally enhances your skin's glow. It removes dead cells, improves circulation, and revives tired-looking skin. The result? A fresh, luminous complexion. 5. Reduces appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Turmeric's antioxidant powers help combat free radicals, those unstable molecules that speed up aging. With consistent use, it can improve elasticity, smooth fine lines, and give your face a youthful, healthy look. 6. Treats hyperpigmentation, dark patches caused by sun damage, acne, or aging. Turmeric can help fade them naturally by inhibiting the enzymes responsible for melanin production. 7. Heals wounds and cuts faster. Thanks to its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric can help heal small cuts, burns, or abrasions faster and minimize scarring. 8. Acts as a natural exfoliant. Turmeric gently exfoliates dead skin cells, revealing the fresh layer beneath. When used in face masks, it leaves your skin soft, clear, and beautifully smooth. Common mistakes when using turmeric on skin. While turmeric is amazing, it must be used correctly. Here are common mistakes to avoid. A. Using too much. Applying large amounts can stain your skin yellow or cause dryness. B. Leaving it on too long. Don't leave turmeric on your face for more than 10 to 15 minutes. It can stain and cause irritation if overused. C. Using cooking turmeric instead of skincare grade. Kitchen turmeric may contain additives. For best results, use organic, cosmetic-grade turmeric or pure curcumin powder. D. Skipping patch tests. Turmeric can cause allergic reactions in some people. Always test a small area before applying to your whole face. The best ways to use turmeric for skin. Here are the top ways to use turmeric safely and effectively for glowing skin. 1. Turmeric face mask for glowing skin. Mix 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 tablespoons plain yogurt or honey, a few drops of lemon juice, optional. Apply to a clean face, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse with warm water. Use 2 to 3 times a week. 2. Turmeric and aloe vera gel. Combine turmeric powder with fresh aloe vera gel. This soothes inflamed skin and hydrates deeply. 3. Turmeric and rose water spot treatment. Mix turmeric with rose water to form a paste. Dab it on dark spots or pimples at night and wash off in the morning. 4. Turmeric in bath soak. Add a teaspoon of turmeric to your bath water along with Epsom salt and coconut milk. It helps soften skin all over your body. 5. Turmeric infused oil. Infuse turmeric into coconut or jojoba oil. Use it as a gentle moisturizer to even skin tone and fade scars over time. So there you have it. Turmeric is truly a golden wonder for your skin. From acne relief to anti-aging benefits, this spice does it all, naturally, gently, and effectively. But remember, consistency is key. Use turmeric correctly and regularly, and your skin will thank you with a radiant, healthy glow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips and remedies. Drop a comment below and let us know, have you tried turmeric on your skin before? Until next time, stay glowing, stay natural.